Hi friends, if you are looking at trending topic in 2021, then this is the correct place for you. I'm going to tell you how we can get the trending topic in a 2021. If you are if you want to create a video on a trending topic, then you need to identify the video, the topics which is going on in a trend. Okay. If you create a video on a trending topic, definitely your views will be go like a millions or lakhs. Okay, I'm going to show you how the views in going 1 lakhs 2 lakhs in a one day if you are creating a video on a trending topic. Okay, so let's again welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you are doing good. Whoever new on my channel, please like to subscribe and press the bell icon as well. Okay, so let's start the session. I'm going to tell you how we can find the trending topic. So it's a very easy and it's free of cost. Okay, you need to go to Google and type here simply the Google Trends. Okay, here you can see the three dots. Click on that three dots. If you come down here, you will get the trending search. Trending search, you can click on trending search. It will take you the next page, and here you need to change the country. So I am representing from India, so I need to type it here India. Okay, so you can give the your country region, and here you need to search the category. So let's take, if you are creating a video on a business, entertainment, health session, and tech, sports, so you need to choose the category as well. So for me, definitely it will go for tech. Click on a tech, and here it will give you the trending topic which is going on a trend from the last one day on a Google. If you are creating a video on a trending topic, definitely your views will go lakhs in a one day or millions, right? So here you will get the all the trending topics. So whichever related for you, you can choose the trending topic and you can create. If you click on a load more, it will take you for more trending topics also. You just need to select the topic, create a good video on that, and upload it. I am giving you the 100% assurity. Your video will be reach, up to high level. You will get the views very quickly. Once you get the views, definitely watch time will become. For the new YouTuber, it's a suggestion from my side. You can create always a video on a trending topic. Whatever the trends going on, choose the category as I showed you from here. You can choose the category, whatever the categories you have, and then create a video about that. Okay, so this is the best way to find the the trending topics from the Google. Okay, so mostly the all the big YouTubers and all choosing the trending topics from here itself. So this is the correct website from the Google side. You can change, you can choose the trending topic free of cost. So there is no extra charge and all, nothing, no signing also required, nothing. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope you got my point how to find it the trending topic. If you like the video, please press the bell, please give the thumbs up and share it as well. Thank you.